Let's see in this video how to create a Contra Voucher for cash-to-cash transfer. A cash-to-cash Contra Voucher is used to record the transfer of physical cash between two different cash accounts within the same organization. For example, if cash is moved from the main office cash counter to a branch office cash counter, this internal movement is captured using a Contra Voucher. Since the transaction only affects internal cash accounts and does not involve any external party, it is classified as a Contra entry. In the ERP system, this helps maintain an accurate cash balance at different locations while keeping the overall accounting in balance. Let's take an example entry. From cash, cashier 1, to cash, cashier 2. Transfer amount, 5,000. Let's log in with the username and password of the creator's login to create a Contra Voucher for a cash-to-cash transfer. Click on the Login button. Click on Financials, then Transaction, and click on Payment and Receipt. Navigate to the Contra Voucher screen. Click on the Add button to create a new Contra Voucher entry. In the From Bank or Cash Account field, select the cash account from which the funds are being transferred. Currency will be updated automatically. The voucher prefix will be updated automatically. Enter the voucher date. This is the date the fund transfer took place. Enter the transfer amount in the Transfer Amount field. In the To Bank or Cash Account field, select the cash account to which the funds are being transferred. To currency will be updated automatically. The payment mode will be set to cash automatically. Enter the reference number and reference date. Click on the Save button. The Contra Voucher document will be created. Click on the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created. To review the journal, click on the View Journal button. The To Bank or Cash account will be debited, and the From Bank or Cash account will be credited. Click on the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded. Navigating to the reviewer's login, click on the Login button, navigating to the Approval screen. Click on the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click on the Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigating to the manager's login, click on the Login button. Navigating to the Approval screen, click on the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click on the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.